kita orang salah train. Semua salah ikang. Guru. Yeah, it's my fault.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you coming to me and say you want me again. Never wanna lose me, 'cause I'll be missing you. Together.
Jagia! Annyeong! Hi! Welcome back to my vlog, day 2. So, where are we going to today?
Going to Suwon.
Huh?
K-drama
미안해
place.
미안해 하지마 내가 초라해지잖아 넌 나의 머릿속 술하는 게 뜨거워 나를 꿀잖아 비를 아파줘. Okay, anyways, we're going to Suwon. And right now, kita orang tak breakfast lagi. But kita akan gagahkan juga. Demi apa? Demi gambar flawless. And by the way, today is 6th of December and it's actually day
Korea.
생일 축하합니다. 땡땡땡. 생일 축하합니다. 땡땡땡. 사랑하는 바라시 생일
Okay.
생일 축하. Yeah, I think they might rain today. Hujan lah. Tak ada. Air hujan. Tak kan? Guys. Sumpah slow. Sumpah slow. Wait, tak tipu weh. Oh my god. I rasa memang snow. Nak nangis. Korang nampak tak? Tolong cakap korang nampak. Tolong jangan cakap I delusional. Please lah, please.
Okay, wait. Kita akan tengok snow lebat ke tak hari ni.
No, on my birthday?
Yeah.
The train for Incheon is approaching.
See? Guys, kita orang salah train. Semua salah ikang. Tak apalah. Tengok ni.
They didn't even help me to see this.
I helped you, okay? I helped you with moral support. Hello guys, so kita orang salah train. We're going to Suwon, but actually I tersalah tengok. Kita kena turun dekat Guru. Yeah, it's my fault. This station is quite empty. Kita orang dekat Gebong. And temperature for today is, let's see, it's 4. Quite okay lah. Tak adalah sejuk sangat sekarang. Bye bye. Welcome to Suwon. nak datang Suwon sebab nak tengok
그대는 선물입니다. 하늘이 내려준 홀로선 세상 속에 그댈 지켜줄게요. 어느 날 문득
So kita orang dekat kalguksu kat Suwon. So ni adalah tempat makan dia. Dalam bilik ni.
And dia punya tu heated weh. Sumpah lah sumpah. Aku panas.
Yeah, this is the heated floor. Our kalguksu is here and this is the pickle. Apa ni? Radish kimchi. Itu kimchi biasa. Ini apa ni Ika? Apa nama dia?
Sambal.
Kita rasa dia punya mie dia.
Sekejap.
Lembutnya.
Tak banyak lah sayur dia. Okay kan?
Dia macam mie tarik tapi bukan mie tarik. Dia macam laksa tapi bukan macam laksa. Okay, dia punya tekstur dia macam laksa tapi lagi kenyal. Fail lah Farah. Sumpah, ada banyak lagi.
Sebelum orang habiskan.
Habiskan boleh tak? Ni, habiskan boleh tak? Banyak gila. Padahal sumpah I dah makan like legit banyak.
Sebab video tebal kan?
Bila tebal.
I lagi cakap nak habis.
Ui kau, sumpah kau strong dulu. Kau fighter dulu.
Lapar dah aku rasa.
Sumpah ada fighter weh. Dia bukan Ika macam I kenal. Tapi kan kat sini memang banyak gila kafe. Cuma tak tahu halal ke tak. Ya. And kita orang ada Jais. Bukan Jais. Jakim.
Mana?
Jakim kat sini. Ni. Wow. Sebelah saya. every time nak makan kan. Weh Ika ni halal tak? Ika kau rasa ni okey tak? Ika ni ada ni tak? Dia lah Jakim kita orang. Halal ke tak? Pasal kalau macam kita nak beli something kan. Kita nak beli. Lepas tu tanya Ika nak. Kata tak nak ah. Lepas kan dia macam cakap tak apa tak nak. Depends on people. We want to try this mochi go. Let's go. Shop dia comel weh. It's so warm here.
Stikernya comel.
Can we take this?
Ya.
Okay, jom. Let's go. Hari nak bengkok. I got matcha mochi. So let's try it. Wow. Dalam ni ada red bean kot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sumpah sedap dia tu. Dia punya matcha dia tak bitter langsung.
Siapa? Habis dah
Saya rasa dia coklat. Dia bukan red bean, dia coklat.
Oh really?
Sikit boleh? Nak daripada you punya boleh? Tapi tak ada ni dah. Kalau coklat. Kita nak makan dengan coklat je. Sumpah sedap dia tu.
Rasa?
Dia banyak tu. Mochi dia sedap. And matcha dia it's not too bitter and sedap lah. Enak asli punya hari ni. Tapi mochi dia kuat tu. Rasanya banyak mochi lah daripada I. I rate it 9 out of 10. It's good. It's good but it's not that good that you have to repeat it. I mean okay lah. Untuk nak rasa kan bobok rasa. Oh my god, semua kat sini sumpah comel-comel eh. Rasa macam nak beli untuk Bila. Tapi tak tahu kalau Bila pakai ke tak kan. Come on. Okay Nabila, I tengah cari souvenir untuk you. You better love me, okay? Because I know you love earrings. Ini style tu. Sama gila. Nak cari yang macam comel-comel yang dia boleh pakai. Weh, tu comel. Ni pun.
Berapa ni?
Orang bukan ada earrings je, macam ada necklace. Weh, style tu.
This one. Siapa pakai ni? Gaul lah nama dia.
Gaul. Oh my god guys, this is so cute. Semua comel. Ini Ivy punya. Lawa gila. Lawa tu.
Tunjuk ke orang.
Lawa gila, jap I tunjuk korang. Oh my god, handsome sell as fuck. Apa ni? 17. Wow. So many K-pop albums.
Para tahu lagu ni.
Tahu chorus dia? Favorite.
Dah lama tak dengar NCT, so I don't know.
Yeah, I tahu. Ui, tiba-tiba ada orang kata.
But next year I akan jumpa Mak, guys.
Dah lah, aku rasa dah 10 kali dia jumpa Mak. Macam stop. Like, stop. Alina, you buat macam ni tu? Sumpah. Dah kot? Oh, dah kot?
Tahu tak, Min?
Oh, mesti tahu. Okay, now we want to buy sweet potato for our dinner. Girl dinner. Sebab kita tak tahu nak makan apa dah malam ni. Maybe makan.
Thank you. That's a lot of potato.
Sebab banyak. Jom. Bye bye. This is our last stop for today. We bought kebab. Arina, you ambil apa Arina? Ah? Lamb.
Lamb macam sedap.
Boleh?
Nak 2,000?
Jap, okay. This is all for our today's vlog. Please note that the street food, kita orang memang tak was-was and nampak macam halal. And ada juga sijil halal. Some of it have sijil halal and some of it don't. So yeah, hope you guys like our today vlog, day 2. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Kimbok.
Haven't she this drama?
Ah, yeah. Oh, the goblet. Oh, the My skin has never looked this good. Like, boleh jadi macam K-pop tak? Like this.
This device can observe.
So right now kita tengah try our foundation color, my lipstick, and also my blusher. So we'll see which one suits me the most. Okay. This is my new chingu, Chloe.
Are you YouTuber?
No, just for fun.
Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. It's good. Something about it changed my state of mind.
Kita orang dekat BBQ, eat BBQ Halal restaurant, and this is what we order. We order dak galbi. Ni apa? Daging ah. Ini cream cheese stew, and the other side dishes juga. What is that?
Shim.
Noted with thanks.
Yes.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Weh. Sedap gila.
Ni makan macam ni guys.
Kimchi ni. Oh, macam tu kan? So, how to do? You take some perilla, you take some beef, kimchi, ambil dia punya sauces. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sumpah sedap gila.
Daun dia rasa macam ni.
We freaking devour. I tak tahulah sama ada tempat ni memang sedap ataupun sebab kena aku bulung. Literally hari ni kita orang just makan roti je. This is croissant, bagel and also salt bread. That's all. Itu pun kita orang share. So when we ate this Korean BBQ, it was so damn good. Sedap tak Ika? Sedap tak Arina? Sedap banget. Sedap. Oh yeah, it was great. And I think I will definitely repeat this restaurant again if I ever come here. So after this, bagaimana? I tak tahu. I just follow dorang and I rasa bateri DJI pun dah nak habis. But we'll see you at the end of this video of our video haul, which is what did we buy at Seoul. Okay, bye. See you guys. So this is what we bought at Seoul. We bought Pop Mart, Blue Elephant, and then Kahi, and then some perfume and also lip gloss. We also bought Fui, yang blurring tint, and also glossy. This one I got free gift, and from Olive Young, Santella and sunscreen, Medicube, and also no strip. So that's all from day 3. Maybe kita kena beli lagi sebab lepas ni kita nak pergi Myeongdong. Okay, tu je. Sorry, I think for day 3 I tak banyak sangat vlog sebab My DJI ran out of battery. My phone ran out of battery. My power bank also ran out of battery. But anyways, kita orang hari ni memang shopping gila-gila. Sebab esok kita orang nak pergi Everland. So yeah, I think see you on the next vlog. I wish if you guys still here, or maybe not. Anyways, see you all in the next video. Love you guys so much. Wait, aku nak cakap perkataan klise kah? Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tapi serius, kau pergi like sekarang, comment, subscribe, okay? Please. Anyways, this is my makeup after. Berapa jam kita keluar?
Since 10 I think, 10 a.m.
So kita keluar daripada pukul 10.
13 jam.
Yeah. So this is my makeup after 12 hours. It's good, right? Later I do a makeup tutorial if you guys want. Pula
jadi
Anyways, bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Choinen Faraimida. Ciao.